Miyazaki. With blonde hair. What are you doing to my girlfriend?
I'm putting my makeup on.
That's wonderful. Misa,
Yeah?
you look pretty.
I know.
Somebody stole themselves. Look at the camera.
Look at the camera, sweetheart. Open your eyes.
Don't call Misa sweetheart. Actually, go right ahead. I honestly don't care.
Who cares on the inside?
Actually, no one cares on the inside, especially you.
Because I make you eat it. No. I'm going to make you eat it.
So this is the Bloody Angels getting ready for cosplay. Without wigs.
No, I close their eyes. Lady, what do you say? Please.
Oh.
A great one from Lisa.
Oh.
Yeah.
This is just so scary. And you learned how to
do your makeup. Done yet? Oh, run away from me.
Actually, I can see you a lot better.
I'm going to do your whole thing.
He's so sexy.
I know.
Yeah, totally. I was talking about you. Completely. I was! Don't give me that look. Dude, I'm dying to heat in this shirt. Please hurry up.
I have to feather it. What's your heather? Get away from me from that camera, Mike. Nice.
Wow, Misa. Okay, okay. Wave bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.